A lot of people said I hate Buhari. Oh. They keep on saying that I hate Buhari. So do I have any personal problem with Buhari? I don't. But when you see evil, you must warn others so that you not be consumed by that evil. And they too, you too, that is listening to me, will not be consumed by that evil. Since 2011, had consistently warned about this fitna called thief ever lying Buhari. The man does not have truth in his DNA. He is 100% falsehood, scam, con man. The smartest criminal of all time. Yes, oh. Yes, oh, I'm telling you. Because I know him. All of you will remember that in 2011, I addressed a press conference in my house, a world press conference, BBC, CNN, everybody was there. There's this Hausa, BBC Hausa service woman who was so livid with anger when I was declaring Buhari that this one is a fraud. There is nothing like integrity close to his name. And I told them that I was with his people in Libya. I was with his people in Libya. Yerini na Libya me. Buba Galadima na Sule Amana. We were in Libya together. There are living witnesses. I don't want to call their name. The revolutionary saint of all time. The leader of the downtrodden masses of the world. The internal saint. Said Mama Gaddafi invited me because of Buhari. And I was in the tent with him in Set. He said I should support Buhari. I said, I will not support him. The man is a con man. He said the man is a Muslim. I said, I doubt. It's not because you answer Muhammad that makes you a Muslim. There is Reverend Canon Muhammad. There are armed robbers that are answering Muhammad. Rapists that are answering Muhammad. So Muhammad is not, once you enter, you bear Muhammad, yeah, this is no. And I told you that, I told you people, 2011, that is a ritual every time, every election season. Buhari goes to collect money from Gaddafi. And in 2010, I was there when Sule Hama and Buba Galadima came to collect money. And that in the crisis that consumed Gaddafi, orchestrated by the counter-revolutionary anti-people paid dogs of the United States and EU. Buhari did not stand up for his friend. He did not stand up for his friend. He watched his friend to be God to death. I said, a man who can betray his benefactor like that will betray anybody. I don't know. I want Buba Galadima and Sulama. I say, now you are not talking. Tomorrow he will betray you. You did not listen. 2015, I challenged Suleyama. I challenged Buba Galadima. He came out to deny that there was no such thing. 2015. Today, Buba Galadima has started talking like a parrot. He has started saying it. Buhari this. When did Buhari become, where did Buhari have integrity? How did, where is the Tiwa's integrity? He was in an NPC. As Minister of Petroleum, Federal Commissioner of Petroleum Resources, what happened? 2.8 billion got lost. They did put it under the carpet. It was in PTF. What happened? At the answer now, waiting happened for PTF. Billion got lost. Billion got lost. And he was indicted with Afri with Afri project he stole because I was there. Thief, Furubo, Furoke, yo Furubo Bohaman Buhari. He stole. They managed. We don't want to rock the boat. You don't want to rock the boat. The man is rocking the boat. Sulama, they kept quiet. They swept it under the ground. Sulama, all of them. Salijo, all of them, Afri project, they stole the money. Bim! Chop and clean out. Now his wife came out that this man is not in charge of his government. His own wife, the woman when they sleep with, came out. This is not in charge of his government. That men, you men should rise up and take your country from them. The criminals and the thieves. They dismiss it, everybody. Which mess did he do on her? If not mess himself to fear kwa. And and so. Which mess in Buhari did to you people? His wife said 2 or 3 men had seized. They have taken the destiny of this country in their hand. His wife, that are there no men in Nigeria? Are there no men in Nigeria? Are there no men in Nigeria? You should take your country back from the hands of Buhari and his people. People are still fools. Now Sulema is talking what we know. Do you know how many people that have become billionaire? Go to the places he's talking. My friend just came back from Daura, GRA Daura. He is a supporter of Buhari. He came to visit me. He's on Bauchi State. He said, Wallahi, wallahi, wallahi. There is no thief like Buhari in this country. That by the time Buhari will leave, the bubble that will burst. Oh! I said, now you talk am? I said, now you talk am? He said, yes. We are waiting. God will not agree. Atiku said, no, the campaign. You know, won't bring out money, fight. All the PDP governors, they go make this thing. They go make it Nicodemously. They go make agreement with Buhari. God personal. When the time comes, in the fullness of time, the Almighty God will come in his judgment.